Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number of this device. So first method for this operation is you have to open your phone, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. Here you can see IMEI information for both IMEIs, and you can also open settings, then go to the About Phone section, then go to status, and here you have serial number, and also in the section IMEI information you can see IMEI slot 1 and IMEI slot 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.